No, can we go now?
Go where?
Go and get some chips now. I'm talking into your phone in a British accent. Please, just give me the chip. Are you doing this just to cheat me?
Possibly.
No! No! I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
To go and get my bag of chips.
No.
I'm doing what you want. Do your big part of the share.
Where'd you learn your British accent?
I really don't know. I watch a lot of Doctor Who. Well, I watch Doctor Who with Manassas and all the other movies that are British, like The Hourglass. One of the girls were British, and British movies have that.
I didn't see the video.
Now may I go and get my chips?
No. What are you holding?
Nails and a Danielle. Ooh, I want to get one of those.
Huh?
I want to get one of those.
What or what?
One of those. Please. All I want is something to eat because you are supposed to hold up on your part of the share. Now I'm thirsty, so hold these, please. It broke!
Don't break character now.
What?
Don't break character now.
Fine.
That's the wrong finger. Watch out, babe.
I'm drinking tea. Okay, now?
No.
Please.
No.
Ooh, now can I grab them?
No.
Please.
Fine.